everyone, this is Ekta Takrani. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will continue with chapter 5 of geography, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. So we have already completed both the topics in detail. We talked about natural vegetation and we discussed about the wildlife also. And we have seen the diversity we are having in our country. Now, in this video, we will be seeing the importance of both. Yes, we are having both these things in big number, lot of diversity is there, right? But now we will see what is the role the animals and plants are playing in the ecosystem. Okay, their importance in our life or in the whole ecosystem we will be seeing here. So let us begin with the first thing I have mentioned here is the plant life. The vegetation which was there, what humans have done, they have selected from this, lot of diversity was there. So we have selected from this bioreserve which plants can be eaten, edible plants. Thanks to the people in past who just experimented, even they sometimes they have eaten poisonous things also. So we have got a variety of things which we can eat today and which are good for our health also. So they provide us with a lot of variety of edible plants which we can eat. Okay. Not only edible plants, people or the scientists, they have experimented with the medicinal plants also. We have got the plants which are having their medicinal properties. They are very useful for us for dealing with many such ailments. We are going to mention here, it's very important because it can be asked separately to explain about the medicinal plants. So we can mention here like neem, tulsi, aloe vera, okay, ashwagandha, etc. Like this, many babool. So many such plants are there which are having the medicinal properties. So edible plants also we have discovered and we have experimented with the medicinal plants as well. Next is, we'll come with the animals. Okay, animals, they provide us with milk. Milk animals are the animals who provide us with milk, and with this milk we are making the variety of products. Milk products are also made. Okay, so they are having a nutritious value. They are very important for the human health. So this is another advantage of the animals, or we can say milk animals. Then the animals are also used in the fields at the time of drought when there is lack of water, or as a machine also they can be used for plugging and all. So animals are used for this. Apart from this, they are used for transportation purpose also. We can load many things and they can carry all the things. So for the transportation also animals are playing a major role. Then we will see in the cropping system, in the pollination, many insects are helping in the process of pollination. Okay, so next the fish. Fish is another part of the fauna which is providing us with a nutrition. Rich proteins are provided by the fish. So insects we have seen, fish we have seen, animals, milk animals, and the plants. Okay, medicinal plants. All these things, what we can find at the conclusion, what we can say, that all these are having a major role in our life. You cannot imagine our life without eating things. So edible plants, medicinal plants as well are playing a major role. Okay, dealing with many such diseases. Then comes the insects, the fish. Nutrition is must for the human body. So all these species, whether plant or animal, they are playing a major role. Everyone, each species is having their own role to play in the ecosystem. Okay, so I hope you got the importance of this both flora and fauna, what role they are playing in our lives and in the whole environment, in the whole ecosystem. Okay, next video we have seen the importance, but we humans being greedy, we are exploiting both plant and animal life. So then comes the topic, the issue of conservation. We need to protect them. So what we should do and what the government is doing to protect these species, that we will be seeing in the next video. Till then, you just prepare all these things. Stay well. Goodbye.